Hello and welcome back. In our previous lecture, we studied how we can drill down for interactive reports. In previous lecture, we studied when I click on any project, for example, email integration. So it moves to or redirect to another page, which is page number 21. You can see in developers toolbar page 21. So basically this is page 21, and similarly when I move back, so this is page 23, and when I click on closed tasks of ACME web projects, it shows two filters and four tasks with status closed. So this is designed in our previous lecture. So let's continue the same. So in this lecture, we will see how we can call our saved reports programmatically. For example, this is our primary report, and when I click on low budget projects, this is our saved report. Okay, now I want to call this report from another page. So this is page 21. So move to page 21, select saved reports, and here you can see low budget reports. Okay, first of all, you need to provide static ID of your report. For example, static ID. This is the static ID of your interactive report. I am removing it, save, and come to page this again. So here low budget report, and here you can see this is the URL or link which we can use to call this report. Here you can see this is the name of the report. Here you can see this is the alias of this report, and this is IR interactive for interactive reports. So when I add static ID, for example, you can provide static ID, static ID. So this is static ID of the interactive report. So save your page and come to this page again, refresh it, and moves to your saved reports. Here you can see now URL of your report changed, IR, then static ID of your report, and then we have alias of the report. So copy this URL and move to page number 23, which is this page. Okay, you can move to this page by using this developer toolbar. Click on quick edit, then click on your report, and now you can see we are on page number 23. So here I am going to create a button, and name of the button is call low report. Okay, and then in action behaviors, and then action, and redirect to URL, and here provide the URL of your report. Okay, save and run your page, and here you can see we have a button called low budget report. Click on it, and here you can see low budget projects report called. Now this is the way to call our saved reports, but if you want programmatically to add filters on your primary report, this report. So how you will achieve this? To achieve this, what we can do, we can modify this URL. Okay. So for example, this is our low budget reports URL. Okay. Now click your page project. Here you can see this, basically this is the URL we are using to call any page, any report in our Oracle Apex. So we will follow the same syntax to call or apply filter on our primary report. So first of all, we need to create this URL. So open your, so here I have the same URL. So you can compare it. First of all, we app ID, then page, then session, then debug, and then we have reset, and then we have column names, or we can say filter names, and then values. Okay. Similarly, here I have app ID, page number, session, and then, for example, I am using this CR and RR. CR and RR means we want to reset pagination and clear the regions before calling it. Okay, and then this is our uh, report static ID, and this time we have static ID of our report is static ID. Okay, and then after IR, then name of the static report, or we can say static ID of the report, and then we have a different, for example, I am going with this. Okay, uh, IR, sorry, budget, and then value of the budget is 100. Okay, so copy this URL and paste it here. Okay, so run your page and click on this. So here you can see this is our primary report called, and there is no filter applied on this report. Okay, so move to your copy this link, notepad, and here we can see IR, static ID, then we have budget, and then we have its value. So it is not applied on our report. So if I want to apply, I need to provide a filter. For example, I want greater than budget, greater than 100. Then I need to apply GTE, which is basically our filter underscore, and then name of the column. Okay, and then its value. Now copy this URL, apply here, and run. Click on button, and here you can see our filter applied. Budget greater than equal to 100. Okay, and if I want to apply more than one filters, then what I need to do, copy this and separate it with comma. This time I am greater than equal to 100, and this time I want to apply less than equal to 200. Okay, so copy this URL, paste it here and run. Click on button. So here you can see two filters applied. First one, budget greater than equal to 100, and budget less than equal to 200. And here you can see all the values are within 100 and 200. We have multiple options to apply. We can use multiple operators, like if I want, for example, uh, C. C means contains. Then we have EQ, which is used for equal. Then GTE, uh, GTE greater than equal to. Then we have LTE less than equal to. N for null, and C for not contains, and similarly NEQ not equals to, and then we have like, and then we have N like means not equal to, and if I want NN, it means not null. Similarly, we have in operator, not in operator. So all the operators are available. We can use all the operators with this way, but you need to understand this URL. So the other option, which is I think so you must know, if there is only one interactive report region, for example, we have only one interactive report region here, but there may be multiple regions on your single page. So in case of single interactive report, the item name does not need to be fully qualified with the region static ID. If an operator is not defined, a filter with equal operator is added. For example, if we don't need any filter here, then equal operator will be applied. So in that case, you need to just uh, provide the alias of your report, and then, as we were doing before, sorry, like this, static ID, and then don't need to provide the operators, just like IR, then budget, and then provide the value. Okay, in this case it will apply equal operator. So copy this and paste it here. Run your page, click on your button. It is not applying. Okay, we need to modify our URL. In that case, we need only this one, IR budget, and then its value. Run your page. Click on button, and here you can see budget equal to 100. So if you skip operator while providing the value, in that case equal operator by default will be applied. I hope you learned something useful in this lecture. Thank you so much.